Sharon. I have such an easy card for you guys today. I'm even impressed with myself because it was something that I had overlooked. And I'm telling you guys, I'm in my studio all the time looking at designer series papers and my stamps, and I was like, how did I not see this? If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. After you subscribe, you can hit the little notification bell. I upload videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. If I can ever help you with any of your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, let me know. So in the Stampin' Up! This is the 2018-2019 annual catalog. There is paper called Petal Promenade. Now I have used the other patterns in there, but there is one pattern, these two pieces right here, that I haven't used, and I figured out that it fits perfectly on the little note cards that Stampin' Up! Sells. When you buy the note cards, you get 20 cards, and it's the good thick whisper white paper that I love, and you get the little envelopes, okay? I chose to use painted glass because I love the fonts in this, and they fit in that little area perfectly. So let me show you a little tip that I figured out. So here's the paper. And this is the piece that I cut. Let's see, I think there was 3 of them. Okay, so there was 3 of these down the page. And then there was this at the bottom. Here, I know this looks jumbled. Hang on. Okay, so this was like this and like this. And then there was a strip at the bottom. So I cut the strip off. And then I started cutting these apart. So these are smaller, but these would fit on the little note cards as well. So you could make 9 cards out of just this one piece. And then I had these pieces. So same thing, I would probably cut this off, cut that off, and then start cutting around these. I haven't played with this sheet yet, but oh yeah, here's the full sheet. There you go. I did have an extra one. So as you can see, it's already, it's beautiful layout, okay? All it needs is a sentiment in the middle. So the note cards are already scored for you, okay? So you just fold them, give them a good crease with your bone folder. I think I have a million of these. It's like I would lose one, I buy another one. And now I have found them all, and I have them all over my studio. So, all right, I will have the dimensions of everything in the description box below, so don't worry about that. First, I'm gonna stamp, have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful birthday. And I'm using Mossy Meadow ink because that's the color of the leaves. I felt like the pinks and everything would be too light for my sentiment. We're just gonna add this, and look at that pretty pattern. You know, that's the beauty of the Stampin' Up! Designer Series papers. They all have 2 sides, and they're all gorgeous. Adding this to that layer. We just have a real thin, and I think that's an elegant little border on the Mossy Meadow. We're gonna pop it up. This is such a simple card. You could cut all those pieces up, stamp out, like this has a thank you with deepest sympathy, have a beautiful birthday, a reason to celebrate. This stamp set is carrying over into the next catalog, but this paper is not. So if you want it, you have to get it before the end of May 2019. And we're just going to add this onto there. And I have 2 quick birthday cards. Woohoo! I'm excited. Don't y'all think that was just the sweetest little birthday card? I could use it for any sentiment, anything that would fit in that little frame. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Happy stamping, y'all.